Guys, we have a big breaking news coming out. Please share this video. Today is December 16, 2024, and welcome to the Real GS News channel. Guys, make sure you share this video. NYPD has discovered a massive drone amid spate of sightings in tri-state area. Let me just show you this video really quick. Please share it, and here we go. Ooh, look at that monster. Get out the way, Lewis. Get out the way. You can find this video on my Twitter page, guys. My Twitter link is in the description box. Wow. Alright guys, we're going to see what's going on here, but before I start, make sure you share the video. For those of you that want to send us letters or prayer request, you can send it to me, US Santiago, or my wife Jessica Santiago at 3432 US Highway 19, number 2, Holiday, Florida 34691. And for those of you that want to contribute to the channel, we do have the PayPal link in the description box. Guys, I'm going to have to move Patreon for tomorrow. Again, I'm truly apologize. There's been a lot of stuff going on, especially with the holiday season and so many things. It's just too much. And also, I had to, make a doctor's appointment for me. So you guys already know my situation. So I had to go to certain places. I don't want to put too much information. But again, just continue praying for me. And tomorrow I have to go see a doctor. And there's been a lot of stuff happening today, guys. At the same time, my wife, she's still resting. I have to take care of her. I had to pick up her medicine. She had a wisdom tooth removed, but then she has some issue with her gum being inflamed, and so I have to take care of her. So it's been really rough. So tomorrow, I promise I'll do Patreon tomorrow. All right, so it says here you have police have recovered a massive drone that was apparently abandoned. It was abandoned in the Brooklyn Naval Yard. What? A photo obtained by the Post showed an NYPD officer holding up the unwieldy aircraft, the body of which appears to measure more than 5 feet in diameter. Now, cops reported to an email tip alerting them to the presence of the drone, which they found on the sidewalk at 5th between Market Street and Morris Avenue, sources said. One thing I tell you guys, a drone like that, that's a lot of money. That is a lot of money. That's, again, that type of drone there is in the thousands. That's a lot of money. Now the question is, yeah, I don't know, guys. That's no type of drone to do vlog videos and stuff like that. Oh man, wow. All right, let's keep going. That's a big drone there. So as officers were investigating, a passerby said he worked in the building that houses the headquarters of drones manufacturer, which he identified as Amogy Incorporation, a sustainable energy startup working to use ammonia as a renewable fuel source, including for aerial vehicles. It says here, Amogy CEO later confirmed that the drone was the property of his company and said it had been placed on a sidewalk after a company party about a month ago, according to sources. So this is not the same drone that is going around New Jersey and New York. But this is massive. This drone is huge. The NYPD dispatched an emergency services until unit truck to disconnect the drone's nitrogen components to ensure it was safe for transport before bringing it to the 88th precinct for safekeeping. They're going to investigate this. They're going to tear this thing apart and look through all the serial numbers and stuff. So, reached by email, the company spokesperson told the Post that the drone was used in a demonstration of its clean energy technology 3 years ago and had been on display outside company headquarters ever since. Now, NYPD took possession of it for a brief period, and the company cooperated fully with the NYPD. And the drone has since been returned to the company after NYPD determined that the drone was not a threat. So again, this is not the same drone that's going around and making headlines trending. Rebecca, NYPD Deputy Commissioner of and Intelligence, told reporters at an unrelated briefing that despite drone mania taking hold in NY and NJ over the past month, that the perceived surge in sightings may be attributable to the power of suggestion. Now, what we've seen over the past few days here in the city has actually been quite normal, frankly, in terms of the actual drone activity that we see every day, she said, noting there are around 2,000 drone flights per week in the Big Apple. So you have a really strong uptick in reporting, but not a strong uptick in actual drone detection, which makes sense. All people are seeing on the news is drone sightings everywhere. Now, she said the department had a similar conversation last week after the takeout of CEO, Mr. Bryan, in which a warning against corporate CEOs suddenly seemed, skip the word, but with one key difference. There you actually have a real increase in warnings, not just an increase in reporting. All right, so once again, guys, this is not one of those drones that's making headlines, but it belongs to a company. The company cooperated with the NYPD, and everything seems like it's good. And once again, NYPD recovered a massive drone abandoned in a Brooklyn Navy Yard. And a video shows an NYPD officer holding the large aircraft, which appears to measure over 5 feet in diameter. All right. And guys, my next video, you won't want to miss this one. My next video, Donald said he's not going to New Jersey. He is not going to New Jersey. He gave a speech about this drone. Well, not a speech, but a very important update. Someone shared this information. I talked about this one not too long ago. Yeah, I talked about this one earlier today. The nuclear waste material went missing in NJ around December the 2nd, 2024, and was reported to the NJ Department of Environmental Protection and Nuclear Regulatory Commission. The shipping container carrying the material was found both damaged and empty. Can this be the reason why the drones are out there? Well, the drone's been around way before that incident. The drone been around since November 17th of 2024. So there's a possibility they knew that something strange was coming, and they probably got the heads up that the shipping container and all that was damaged and heading towards New Jersey. So again, guys, this is where we at. The NYPD has done an incredible job. Thank you so much to the NYPD. The company has also spoken with the NYPD when it comes to that drone that they left to the side, and everything seems like it's fine. But that drone is not part of the other ones, which is a lot bigger, the size of a mini SUV. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, please share the video. I'll have another one coming up. And once again, I truly apologize. Patreon's going to be tomorrow. And again, I will make it up to you guys tomorrow. And yeah, thank you so much for your support. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. For those of you that want to send us letters or prayer requests, you can send it to me, Luis Santiago, or my wife, Jessica Santiago, at 3432 US Highway 19, number 2, Holiday, Florida, 34691. Once again, guys, $1 a month Patreon will get you access to our live stream every Monday. We talk about things that we cannot talk about on the platform. Also, I posted videos today. Those links will be in the comments box. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you all. Put faith and trust in Jesus Christ, for He's the only way, the truth, and the life. No one gets to the Father except through Jesus. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time later. Peace.